Jumping on the chess piece decoration, and that's the fairy decoration that we we're doing that concept for the cake. So started out trying too hard. Instead of like getting proportion in the beginning, I just started with the top and started working my way down, which was not really a great idea if you were looking to get, accurate representation of the geometric form. But if it's a little crooked, that doesn't matter, if as long as it looks interesting and engaging, and that the details make the eye work around the painting in an exploratory way, which didn't actually happen either. But then I don't know why that apple popped in there. So anyway, try to add different colors and try to have a rich capture of the chess piece, and it's not coming out good at all. But the good news is I did a small kind of size on a big paper, so I'm going to do like 7 or 8 more until I get one that really says, hello, I'm a chess piece, and so much fun and engaging.